Hey beauties, my name is Chanel. I will be going ahead and Chanel you guys up on this gorgeous hair that I have on today. This hair is super cute and gorgeous and sleek and more so like an everyday look. So if you would like to know thorough specs and deets about this hair, then go ahead and keep on watching. Also be sure to hit the bell right next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos like this. So jumping straight into it, this gorgeous hair is by Ishowbeauty hair, you guys. Now this wig is a 360 lace wig, which means that you can go ahead and put it up in a ponytail for my girls out there that loves a good pony. I love a good pony too, but sometimes I just love rocking my hair down or like in a low pony type thing. Now as far as parting space, you guys, parting space is fairly really long, so you're getting just about like 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space straight back down the middle. And of course the lower you get towards the tabs of the ears, the less and less parting space you do have, you guys. I love the parting space, I love the texture, I love the quality, and I love the fact that it's more like an everyday wig. And I love a good everyday wig. I love wigs that even if it was a style that I possibly wouldn't rock every day, that you potentially could be an everyday wig because you don't shed, you don't tangle, and I don't have to do much to you, you know what I mean? So this wig is definitely for one that you like, sis, I'm not with the antics, I just need something where it's like I can literally pop up and show up and I'll be like literally good to go. Ishow hair is definitely one that I could recommend to a friend for that, sis. Now the lace color was fairly about like medium dark it was, so it blended with my skin tone so well. I have another video showing you guys how I style this wig, so in that video you'll see how I maintain my wigs, and if I wear a wig that is like an everyday look, how I basically like maintain it. Yeah, you'll see it literally melted on my skin. It wasn't like such a hassle to put on at all whatsoever, so I did love that about it. Like I said, you guys, no shedding, no tangling. Even like throughout this whole video I'm like running my hands through it and you guys can see it's literally no shed, no tangling. Now one thing that I think that's something that I would change about this hair is the density. The density was 150 coming straight out the package, and yeah, I just feel like it should have been a little bit fuller for my liking, honestly. This wig did come fresh out the package as a body wave type texture. I did straighten it to get this look, you guys. Now once you wet it, it will revert back to its natural texture, which is body wave, you guys. I showed the natural texture, how it looks like when I styled it in a styling video, so you guys want to make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for that video. Now the length that I did have in this gorgeous hair is a 24 inches. I did go ahead and cut and trim the ends just a little bit because I felt like it was stringy just a little bit for my liking. This color is exactly how it came out straight out the package. Natural black is what it is, and that's exactly what it's showing. Of course you guys can go ahead and definitely dye this. This is, you know, human virgin hair, you guys. Now as far as cap construction, you guys, it did come in fairly like a small. I think they do have like a measurement along with their sizes of their cap, so you want to make sure you go over those measurements just so that you're picking the right size for your head. How did the cap come constructed? It did have 2 combs on the side, a comb on the top, and along with 3 combs at the bottom. Because this is a 360 lace wig, Ishow hair did offer like 3 clips or combs fairly long in the bottom, just so that just in case you go ahead and put it up in a ponytail, like in a sleek ponytail, whatever, they want to make sure that your wig is secure, and I did love that. Now main topic of discussion, I know you guys want to know how much is this wig actually retails for. So it started at the price of $53, roughly $55 after taxes, you guys. That's super amazing and super affordable, so I would recommend her to a friend, you guys. Go ahead and pick up yours. But if you are wondering how much the one that I got on, which is about 24 inches, retails for, so that is $132 roughly after taxes, about $135 I shall say. Super affordable, again, you guys, with everything offered to you and with amazing quality that Ishow hair offers. I definitely think she is a go. The links are going to be down below, you guys. Go ahead and pick up yours if you want to go ahead and slay effortlessly every single day, you guys. I think she's a winner, like hands down. If you are one that just don't want to do the most, go ahead and pick her up now. Ishow hair did super amazing on this baddie right here. Like I said, you guys, the links would be down below, as well as all the details that I listed in this video will be also listed down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, you guys, till next time.